I'm Jordan with Marlin Steel, and today I am showing you one of our heavy-duty, high-quality products, our rectangular mesh basket with handles. The model number is 0002035001-38. The material we use for this rack is a 304 stainless steel with a natural finish. Check out this beefy, strong, heavy-weighted basket, weighing at 5.63 pounds. Picking it up, you can just feel the quality and the weight of it. You know it is a strong, heavy-duty basket. Now, this basket is not imported. I know this is sturdy, American quality steel. This is 100% fabricated here in the United States, and it's truly just so robust and strong. A really great thing is that our stainless steel is completely made in the United States of America. It is sturdy, it is strong, it is 100% American. Now, check out these welds. They are made by robots using medium frequency welding at 250,000 watts. These welds will not fail you. Our basket is 18.75 inches in length, 11.75 inches in width, and 3 inches in height. Heads up, the handles are made of a fat diameter, so it lasts a very long time. Making them very robust, they are at 5.75 inches. The basket weighs 5.63 pounds, or for my friends overseas in Canada and Mexico, it weighs 2.55 kilograms. If you need a tighter mesh or any changes to optimize the basket in your facility, we can make it for you. We can even make carts that will ferry these baskets around so you have less material handling. Hit me up if you're interested in custom. My email address is sales@marlinwire.com. I will ask a couple questions to understand your fit and form and function, and then bring my engineers to help create a detailed print for your custom project. 20% of our team are degreed mechanical or chemical engineers. Thanks for joining me, and look forward to providing you great United States of America quality. I think this rectangular mesh basket with handles is a win for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact us at www.marlinwire.com.